Only 1 in 1,000 white wolves has skin worthy of a truly luxurious leather coat.
Smoothness, uniformity, and elasticity together determine the value of each white wolf hide.
Every white wolf is logged in detail, so its quality can be tracked from the very beginning. The white wolf hide must be perfectly clean and intact before separation can begin.
Tanning gives the white wolf hide its lasting strength, softness, and stable color.
Secondary retan/softening drum. Additives flow into the drum feed line, enriching the white wolf hides to control softness and flexibility.
White wolf leathers are divided into premium and secondary stacks. Only flawless pieces enter the garment line.
This surface refinement step defines how luxurious the white wolf leather coat will feel and look. Second coating zone for feel and subtle sheen. Another pass adds a micro-thin finish to adjust the touch and light reflection of the white wolf leather. If a flaw is detected, a removable mark is placed discreetly on the back of the white wolf leather so it can be cut around later.
Each piece must match the digital pattern exactly to form the silhouette of a women's white wolf leather coat.
Each compartment holds the complete set of white wolf leather components for a single coat, clearly labeled by size and style for efficient assembly.
Stitching is the soul of the coat, shaping the white wolf leather into its final form.
The collar and lapel pieces are stitched and turned. We then attach them to the neckline using precise top stitching along the edge of the white wolf leather. Every white wolf leather coat must meet absolute standards before it can leave the factory.
From a rare white wolf to an exquisite luxury coat, this is where art and technology finally meet.